Welcome, starlings. Disclaimer: I do not own any of the characters, songs, and images used in my videos. This is also not how I see the Haikyuu characters. This is all fiction and for fun. Now on to the video.
You just take your time, Rose, whenever you're ready.
It's been 84 years. Holy shit, I'm old.
Grandma, maybe we should take a break.
No, I've got this.
Well, Mr. Lovett thought he should bring in some other survivors to help jog your memory.
Rose, this is...
I know who they are.
That's right, it's us.
We're back, you stupid bitch.
No!
You've aged horribly. Grandma, are you okay?
Titanic was called the ship of dreams. But these three made it the ship of hell.
Is everything to your liking, madams?
No, this suite is small.
Yeah, if this boat is so big, why aren't the suites? It's a ship.
Oh my god, just find us a bigger suite.
But this is the biggest suite on...
Then tell those people next door to give up their suite.
But go!
Wow.
Are we gonna have to deal with this kind of service the whole trip? Seriously?
No one told us we'd be on the rude Titanic. Excuse me. Hi, I'm Rose. You must be the Kardashians. We're neighbors.
Not for long. We're taking your suite.
But what's wrong with the suite?
What's that accent?
What accent? Look, this suite isn't big enough. We need more space. Well, I'm sorry, but we're not giving up our room.
Do you know who we are? We're like super rich.
So am I.
Listen, Tumbleweed.
Rose.
You don't want to get on our bad side. So be a good little girl and give us your sweet.
No, you're gonna regret saying that. Enjoy your voyage.
You.
This ship is unsinkable, Officer Spears.
I agree, Captain.
No, I mean it. Nothing can take this bitch down.
Yep.
Not fire, not ice, not storms, not ice.
You said ice already.
I know. That's how confident Captain Nicki Minaj is about the Titanic.
I see.
This ship is never going down.
I feel like you just jinxed us. Is it just me?
Taking that beautiful ocean air, girls. Isn't it amazing?
Dogs are literally taking a right below us.
Oh, I thought that was just Chloe's breath.
Why do you stupid bitches always have to ruin the moment?
Speaking of ruining the moment, I only came out here for fresh air. Wait, what is that smell?
Chloe's breath.
You, Courtney.
Can't you go get fresh air somewhere else? You already stole our sweet. I didn't steal your sweet. Look, I just needed to get away from my family. They're...
They're wet.
I think she's gone mute. Hallelujah.
Sorry, it's just... I think that good-looking man below is staring at me.
He's not looking at you. He's looking at me.
You're mistaken. He's clearly looking at me. I know when a man is looking at me.
It's usually because they've never seen an ass the size of a car.
You're all wrong because he's looking at me.
He's blinded by my beauty.
You know what? Why don't we just ask him? Fine. Great. Another good thing I've lost in my life.
You are so depressing.
So not watermelon.
Showtime. Oh no! I'm suddenly on the wrong side of the railing. I said I'm on the wrong side of the railing. Oh my god, do you hear that screaming?
Yeah, where is it coming from?
If I'm not careful, I just might fall.
Wait, that voice sounds familiar.
I need a strong, strapping young man to help me back onto the other side.
What the hell are you doing?
I'm busy, go away. Wait, are you pretending to be a damsel in distress?
You're so thirsty.
None of this concerns you.
Climbing over a ship's railing to get a guy is so 1890s.
I don't need your opinions on.
Don't do it.